my YouTube channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Teacher Jasmine and I'm an online Spanish and English teacher. So in today's video, I'm going to be teaching you how to roll your R's in Spanish. Let's begin. Before we begin, I wanted to let my subscribers know that there is merchandise available if you're interested. You can shop my Teespring, the link will be down below. And if you like this t-shirt, it'll be there too. So rolling your R's in Spanish is something that you need to practice. Even native Spanish speakers aren't automatically born with this skill. It's something that you have to practice and work hard on so that you can master it. Here's an easy tip for you to know. When rolling your R's, you want to make sure that your tongue is just above the roof of your mouth, but not touching it. So your tongue should look like this. Now, you want to make sure that there is some path for the air to go through as you're rolling your R. And when you're rolling your R, you want your tongue to kind of make a little wiggle movement. You want to make the sound. Again, tongue should be above, not touching, but just close enough to the roof of your mouth. And then when you inhale, you want to make sure that you fill your diaphragm with air and you blow as hard as you can. Now, when you're pronouncing the words like carro or perro, you want to be thinking that you're going to blow on the second syllable of the word. So you say ca, you take in air, and then you're thinking, okay, ro, I'm going to blow the air towards my tongue as it flicks. So, ca-ro, ca-ro, ca-ro. Very good. Okay, now words like reloj, where the R is at the beginning of the word, you have to inhale again. And as you're saying the word reloj, you think you gotta push the air towards your tongue. Reloj. Great job. Let's practice some rolling our R's exercises. I'm going to count for 3 seconds while you inhale and exhale, blowing air towards your tongue as it flicks. So, 1, 2, 3. Great job! Keep up the good work. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!